I have been social distancing with these two for the past week. This is
Amelia,
and this is
Elizabeth.
they've been my social distancing buddies. We've been watching a lot of Disney Plus and trying to get outside and go for walks and playing dress up as a cat and a princess. My advice for you guys while we do this is make sure that you get outside so you can breathe some fresh air every once in a while. And make sure that you kind of set yourself a schedule so that you can keep up with everything. But the biggest thing is to make sure that you are talking to your teachers. So make sure that you are emailing your teachers or sending them messages so that you can get all your questions answered. All right, have a good day. Hopefully we'll see you soon.